Hi, didn't see you there. Hello everyone. This is the project development process of my VR conducting system. It's an immersive tool that helps composer rehearse the orchestra, especially on dynamic and tempo changes in the virtual environment. So the system is built in the Unity 3D game engine, and also I'm using the XR Interaction Toolkit's Meta Interaction SDK to support the Quest headset and also the controller locomotion. So right now, let me walk you through all the technical architecture and development process in the whole project. So the software stack is based on the Unity 3D engine as the main development platform. And I also use the XR Interaction SDK to support the headset, so it can be better controlled in a proper SDK package. For module design, there will be 3 different modules based on the gesture recognition, which is detecting the beats using the trigger boxes. I put the trigger box in here on the right hand, and then also the audio control module, which is mapping the BPM changes to the music playback speeds and handle the volume changes like dynamically, and also manage the audio clip, which is on the left hand. So basically, it's kind of like a conductor using the right hand to tracking the BPM and also left hand to adjusting the volume or dynamics. All right, let's look at how these features were actually implemented in the details. As the user put on the headset, you will see a big menu to navigate them into different levels. Like you say, this is the testing in the game scene, and for the different controller, it can swipe the different menus and then trigger the different levels. So for the further details, as you can see, I attached the left and the right controller based on the camera offset. So for the left controller, there will be a different volume gesture interaction script, and then also for the sub-game object, there will be a hand animator, which is by the trigger or grip on the controller, people can perform the different hand animation. And for the later selections, you can also highlight the different instrument and control it in the volume panel in here. And then for the right controller, there will be a details, which is the button, which is the stick. So as a conductor, you're holding the stick on the right hand, and there will be a little glider on the tips. So the trial about the movement in the virtual scene can be recognized or be learned by the BPM in here. So as the people moving the hands in the virtual scene, the tip can leave a dot as a trial, and then that dot can be learned as a beat pattern. And there will also be a select. You can also select a different beat pattern in here, and then as you moving the gesture, it can leave a dot trial in the virtual scene. So this is for the right hand, and for the whole scene, the music layout, there will be audio interaction design in here. So which is you can see the different audio elements are put on the different sessions in the band. And you will also see the note, which is the score. Full sheets was loaded on the music note stands. So by you selecting the different scene, it will load the different music layouts, and then based on the layouts and the music as your selection, the music notes will show the full sheets, which is the band score right here. So in the future, I'd like to expand it with more time signature or AI-based gesture learning, and I hope possibly Logic Pro can also open up another SDK package so I can actually load MIDI and VST directly through it. So thank you for watching.